In this section, I'm going to show you how to introduce the primary and standby hosts to Dbvisit Standby version 9. Now, once you have finished your installation and started your processes, you should be able to bring up the console through your browser and go into it. So from here, we are now going to look at step 1, and that is to introduce the hosts to Dbvisit Standby. So if you click on Manage Host, you will see a little button that says New. We don't have any information currently. So we're going to click on New. And we are going to introduce our primary server, which is dbvlab01. And the port, remember, the central console makes use of Dbvisit agent to talk to the core. So the agent port is 7891. So we confirm that this is the port. Remember our little passphrase that we used during the installation, and then it picks up which operating system we are using. And we say create host, and it gives you a little tick mark there to say the host is online. If there's for some reason communication problem between the agent and the console to the relevant host, you are going to have issues here. Then we're going to introduce our standby server, standby host. Again, the port, our little passphrase, and it's picking up the operating system. And there you can see we've now introduced our primary and standby hosts to Dbvisit Standby, the console. And if you go back to the main menu, it will now open up some more options. And that concludes adding hosts to Dbvisit Standby version 9.